Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both your display and game settings so adjustments are accurate. First, reset monitor brightness and contrast to factory defaults. This gives a baseline. Once done, check HDR. Make sure Windows or your console HDR toggle matches the game's HDR option. Also, position lights to avoid glare, because reflections mask true brightness. These steps prevent chasing false results and make the game calibration we're about to do meaningful. So take them now and move to in-game options. Now you open the game's display or graphics menu and focus on the brightness slider and test image. Move the slider slowly while watching the reference bar. Your goal is to see detail in the darkest patch without washing out highlights. If HDR is enabled, toggle between HDR and SDR to see which looks correct. HDR often has its own slider, so tune both. Make incremental changes and confirm by returning to gameplay. This helps you judge how adjustments affect real scenes, not just static menus. Finish by applying settings and restarting the game so changes fully take effect. Then test across maps and lighting conditions to ensure consistency. If the image is washed out, reduce exposure or gamma. If it's too dark, raise brightness or gamma, adjust in small increments. If results remain wrong, troubleshoot. Confirm your monitor preset, update GPU drivers, and disable overlays or color profiles that alter output. These final checks fix most issues. Do them now, and you'll have reliable gameplay brightness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.